Gmail integration in Claude because it doesn't work. And I didn't find any MCP servers I would trust for this. There's also no good CLI tools that Claude Code could call into, so I just built something in an hour or so. Let's see. I guess this is how I'm doing emails going forward. Let's add a new Gmail account. So Gmail is a little sucky because you have to set up a project in Google Cloud, add the Gmail API, and then generate credentials, and then you can do the OAuth flow. I built the MCP, so the entire OAuth flow is done through it, and you don't have to do anything other than click a bunch of buttons in the browser. So it needs from me a name for the account, the Gmail address, and the JSON credentials file that you download from the cloud. So my email address is this, and you can find the credentials file in downloads single.json. The good part about this is that Claude doesn't see the single JSON file, it just passes along the path. It should actually be an absolute path. Pass the credentials file along as an absolute path. So now it does the OAuth flow for me. That's our pretty page, and back to Claude. Okay, list the emails in the inbox. So the benefit of doing this with Claude Code is that I get all of Claude Code's built-in tools, which is very nice. So I can do my bookkeeping like that, for example. All right, I see Hetzner. Can you please search all the invoices from Hetzner for the past quarter? Use the bash tool to figure out today's date so you know what the last quarter is. Download all the attachments for those emails and put them in a folder on my desktop called Q2, and rename the files like this. I'm typing this out because let's see if it can do this for me, because this is a task I do for bookkeeping because I'm lazy and don't archive my stuff when it arrives in my inbox, so I have to go through invoices and stuff like that. Alrighty. This downloads all the attachments to a folder in my home directory in .mailcp, and then it copies them over here using what I want. Yeah, it looks good. I like it. So use bash with open to open all of these invoices for me, and then tell me how much I spent on Hetzner in that quarter. All right. So this is the latest. Okay, this looks good. Oh my god, Hetzner, you got so much money from me. And the cool part is I can do multiple email accounts at once. So I can just say, I want to add another email account. This time it's, whoopsie. And you can find the credentials file in downloads workspace.json, I think. So I set up a project for the workspace as well. Added the Gmail API. Oh, it doesn't exist. Interesting. And added credentials, and yeah. So now I can also add my workspace email, hopefully. Yes, this worked. Wonderful. Okay, can you tell me what's in the inbox of that account? And sadly, on a max plan, I don't see how much tokens have been used so far. I tried to make the tools token efficient, but honestly, I don't care too much. Fine, Simulons. Okay, my coding error. Okay, please archive the first two emails. And then download the attachments from the Anthropic emails and also put them in Q2 following the same file naming convention. So hopefully this works. This is actually the first test run. But it's pretty trivial MCP. So yeah, this is fun. This saves me a lot of time. It's very nice. Let's see. I should tell it to use parallel tool calls. I don't think it does at the moment. Okay. Can you open up the invoices, please? Yep, June sounds good, May sounds good, and I didn't have an account, a Max account in April. I was still a pay-as-you-go idiot. So I spent about $1,000 in just a week or so until Peter told me to go Max. And Max is very good. So anyways, this is nice.